topic of the video is classification of bones. Bones are classified based on shape, structure and development. Based on shape, long bones are either typical long bones of limbs, short long bones like metacarpals, metatarsals, phalanges. Short bones are carpals, tarsals. Flat bones are cranial vault and thoracic cage bones. Irregular bones are hip bone, vertebrae, bones of base of skull. Pneumatic bones are paranasal air sinuses. Sesamoid bones are patella, fibula, pisiform. Accessory bones are wormian and os trigonium. Based on structure, compact and spongy. Based on development, membranous bones of cranial vault, face, cartilaginous bones of limbs, thoracic cage, base of skull, vertebrae, membranocartilaginous, mandible, clavicle, occipital, temporal, sphenoid bones.